Hello beautiful aerialists, and thank you so much for checking out this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of Savasana in your yoga trapeze. If you're anything like me, you're a little disappointed when full practices on YouTube end on the ground, which seems to often be the case. I don't know about you, but I feel most grounded when I'm not on the ground. So anyways, let's get started. So if you're doing this at the end of the full practice, odds are that you're already going to be in your hammock. But if not, we'll start as if we are getting into a bucket seat. I find it's easier to get in if I shake out the fabric and grab a couple handfuls before I jump into the seat. So from here, I'm going to lay back and move the fabric around so that my entire torso is able to lay within the fabric. And my legs will still be hanging out at this point. Making sure that the fabric covers my head. And then I can sit back up and place my feet where the lowest handles are. And I find it's more comfortable if I move the little handlebar out of the way so that I can comfortably secure it around my ankle. So at this point, I am able to comfortably lie back and take my Savasana. I can either do this with my arms hanging down, or I can bring them within the hammock and cross them over my chest, lay them at my side, whatever is more comfortable for me. Whenever I'm done taking Savasana, I can simply sit up and take my ankles out of the arm pieces. Another option that is a restorative pose you can do in place of Savasana if you're so inclined is to do a waterfall pose. This can be really great if you have a lot of tension in your lower back. It can help to release that. And I just do the same thing, lying back with my head covered. This time my feet are just in the air above me, creating a comfortable inversion. Again, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope that you found it to be helpful. If you did, please support my channel by liking this video and subscribing. I'm excited to say that at this point, we have surpassed 300 followers and we are growing. Happy flying, you all!